Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm gonna teach you some basic things about keyframing in Vegas. Yeah, we are going to be creating something like this. You've noticed a bit of lag, it's just because of my CPU. So this is what we're going to do. We have our footage and we are going to slow it down right where the shot is made, and we're going to add some cool effects using keyframing techniques. So let's do it from the beginning. Okay, I'm deleting the edit part and I'm extending the footage right here. So we have our footage. Now what we want to do is to cut the video in the correct place in order to slow the part after the shot down. So we must find the exact frame, and you can see if the correct frame is where the hit marker appears. However, we are going to choose this frame right here just because it will look nicer after the scope is zoomed out. So we press S. Let me show you one more. You cut the frame and you press S, so you cut the video, and then you want to slow this part down. Okay, just press hit Control and move your mouse to the edge of the video. Now I click and drag it as much as I can, and now this part is slowed down. You might not clearly see it on the render, but it definitely is. So let's add some effects. The first thing we're going to do is add some pan crop effect. So we're going to rotate the video right when the shot begins. So I'm going to do it right now. Make sure you got log aspect ratio checked because it will really help in this stage. So I zoom in a bit and I rotate, and now you see I got this thing here. Now you want it to slowly return back to normal, so you have to go like near the end of the clip and choose your cropping preset, or just enter your numbers here, it doesn't really matter. And you can see that it slowly becomes normal again. Now if I wanted to become like this suddenly, I will just, let me do it once again. I select the first keyframe, I copy it and I paste it right next to this one. So you see, it just becomes cropped again. I was just showing you some stuff about keyframing, so you don't really need this. Delete it. I will put this right to the end, and now we have a nice cropping effect. Well, it doesn't necessarily look nice, but yeah, okay. So you can see it's done, and now I'm about to add some effect here. We'll move this. What you have to do in order to add effects is click this icon, or right click on the footage and select video event effects, and now the effects list or plugins list is open. I will use some simple and easy to see effects. The first one is glow, I just double click on it, and the other one is color curves. Yeah, maybe a bit of brightness and contrast too. Okay, no, so now we have our effects. You see here in the timeline that we have our frames. So I'm going to add some glow, and I will check the curves, and I will add a bit of contrast right there. And now I will reset them by adding the default values on keyframes where I want. So I go like reset to none. So the curves are gone, the contrast is gone because I put it to 0, and the glow is gone because I put the suppression to on because I just added suppression. So you can see that it goes like this. And this is your footage. This is what you want to do. And like I said before, if I wanted to put another keyframe and suddenly increase the brightness right here, I would do this, and it's normal, and you see on the next frame it goes crazy. And if I wanted this to become slowly, I would just put the keyframe a bit far away from this one, so I delete it. And now this is ready. And that was the basic thing about keyframing. Let me show you one thing more I might have forgot. When you open a pan crop area or an effect area, you will see this timeline here. These are your frames one by one, and these little dots are called the keyframes, in case you've not noticed already. So that is all about keyframing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps.